The 2026 Tesla Model X, an electric SUV that redefines luxury, technology, and performance in one stunning package. In this video, we'll explore every detail of this futuristic vehicle, from its bold exterior design to its cutting-edge interior and powerful performance. Let's get started. The front of the 2026 Model X looks cleaner and sharper than ever. The signature Tesla emblem now sits elegantly on a redesigned front fascia with a sleek aerodynamic grille. Matrix LED headlights feature a sleeker, more futuristic design, giving the car an aggressive yet elegant look. The bumper is designed for efficient airflow, improving performance and range. From the side, the Model X exhibits a sleek coupe-like silhouette that conveys a sporty feel without sacrificing its SUV practicality. Smooth, uninterrupted body lines create an aerodynamic shape, while flush door handles and large turbine-style alloy wheels complete the futuristic look. Tesla has subtly refined the proportions, making the 2026 version look even more dynamic and agile. Moving to the rear, the design feels minimalist yet powerful. A wide LED light bar connects the two taillights, creating a distinctive look that's instantly recognizable at night. The sculpted rear bumper merges with a sporty faux diffuser, and despite being an EV, Tesla has given the Model X a muscular look, emphasizing both performance and elegance. Inside the 2026 Tesla Model X, it's all about futuristic minimalism and immersive technology. The cabin features premium vegan leather, brushed aluminum accents, and a circular ambient lighting system that glows in shades of electric blue. A large 17-inch central touchscreen controls nearly every vehicle function, while a digital driver's display keeps important information directly in your line of sight. A new yoke-style steering wheel gives the cabin a spaceship-like feel, while dual wireless chargers, hidden storage spaces, and ultra-comfortable seats make this interior feel like a tech den on wheels. And with Tesla's latest Autopilot 3.5 system, the driving experience is smarter and safer than ever. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the 2026 Model X is powered by Tesla's dual or triple motor setup, delivering incredible performance. The Plaid variant produces over 1,000 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in the world. It also offers an impressive range of up to 630 kilometers on a single charge, with improved cooling and battery management for greater efficiency and durability. With all these improvements, the 2026 Tesla Model X starts at $97,000 for the long-range version, while the high-performance Plaid model tops out at around $120,000. So here it is, the 2026 Tesla Model X, a perfect blend of innovation, luxury, and electric power that proves the future isn't coming, it's already here. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more great car reviews every week.